This is some of Wildcat's funniest laughing moments.
Oh my god!
What has happened to his head? What has happened to his head?
What did you do to me?
He looks like a hippie Asian horse. That's a platypus. Yo, look at his eyeball.
He's killing me.
Oh my god. Bro, put him out of his misery for sure. Put him out of his misery. That Asian Chinese horse platypus looked like he was going through it.
I've ever seen in my life. I'm still in.
That was far worse.
Wait, get Evan there. Get Evan.
Oh shit.
Let's go. We're there.
Okay, Tyler, we're really low.
We got it. Are you ready?
Oh, nice.
Got you, pussy.
Got him.
Respawn.
Shit.
No. I'm dying.
Oh shit, I think I just jumped right into it.
I know where he's at.
There we go.
Oh my god.
Come on, you gotta crouch to do it.
Don't do it.
Not the toilet. No.
It's so slow.
Come on. Yeah, we're
Yeah, totally, bro.
Oh, totally.
Everything is on fire. How are we alive? Oh,
Everything's on
Ow, how did Venos not see
oh
them?
my god.
He was around here, I'm pretty sure.
I have an exit strategy. You see that over there by the thing?
Maybe he's not.
No, I have no idea what you're looking at.
Fuck.
Do it again.
Do what?
Hey, bro, no way.
Fuck table.
Do it again.
I did.
Do it again. Do it again.
No!
Bro, there's no way. There's no way he didn't see that.
No, it's over. I thought we had more time.
I was using the door, opening it and closing it. You guys were
There's
just
no
stupid.
way. You're just, they gotta be stupid.
What?
What?
Yeah? Come again?
What?
Where is he at?
What?
Oh, that's next level.
The fuck, Tyler? Did you find some secret?
Hey, what are you doing up there? No. Ah!
Down there. Get
Oh my god. No. How did he win?
I'm going in.
The cheeseburger.
What is going on? What's the camera?
Dead. Oh, knife.
Yo, that cone is too strong.
How do I get your fucking helmet? Let me down. Don't you dare. Son of a bitch!
Yeah. Yeah, baby.
How do you get a draw?
Jacket makes it so much better.
Oh, the fucking
This
ice.
is gonna be another easy victory for me, bro.
Fucking sick.
Bro ain't do nothing.
He just didn't move.
Wildcat just fooled him.
Player. He's up here. Two of them.
Bye bye, pussy.
Oh my god.
That one didn't.
Oh, I got him. Ready? Goodbye. No, where'd he go?
Oh, he's still alive. Get him. That was such a fail.
Come get me. He's stuck in the tree.
Where is he at?
The tree, man. Come get me.
Where's it? Hey, you want me to send this fucking guy off? Fucking get the fuck out of here, bitch!
Oh my gosh.
Hit him once. Okay. Get the fuck out of here, bitch. Sends him out. Go get the loot, idiot. Go get the loot. Get him off when you can.
Bye bye.
And he's gone. Oh my god. I remember when they added them, first added them things in. That jump's hilarious.
Midair.
Oh, so perfect. That was such a great game.
You fucking get. No, I'm not. I'm not saying you're ending. That's your fault.
Fuck, well, this is my ending then. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. And it kind of sucks that you clicked on this video.
Kind of sucks that you
You
clicked
clicked on the video.
Yeah.
Yes, we need the rage.
Okay, there we go.
All right, you got it. You're good. Careful. You almost ran my.
What the heck?
Okay, it's fine.
You
Fine,
just
nothing
tossed the
happened.
car? Incredible Hulk looking ass.
The van doesn't quite run the way it used to.
Second mini.
Bro, what is his laugh, bro? Yo. He sounds so devious.
Eat the dick, Scotty! The red shell came in clutch!
You fucking cunt.
Come on.
Yes!
No! You motherfucker!
Oh, and he gets it. Oh my god. I know he's mad.
I dodged that fucking thing!
No! Yes!
Like I can't do anything. Hey man, nobody likes me.
It's the mean one, Mr.
Oh, you guys
Grinch.
are assholes.
Oh, that's
And logic
fucked.
should have told you what I fucking was.
Bucket!
Almost
Bro.
got me.
What?
These aren't like the
This
others.
almost got me.
Delirious!
What?
You didn't do what we agreed on.
Delirious, what are you
Same one
doing,
as
kid?
you, except
What the
I'm just
everybody?
Everybody, he's trying to say what you were.
Oh man, this is a difficult.
Here,
Damn it.
there we go. You gotta bank it in there. There you go. There you go.
And
Yep.
he missed it.
He just defied gravity. God damn.
Scotty coming
I
in
just
with
watched
another
your
5.
bulb.
Ah, I didn't mean.
Oh,
I
fucking
knifed
who?
him.
I'm about to help.
What did he just say?
What the heck? Ah, I did it.
Hey,
Yeah.
well done. Well done. I've never.
Oh my god. Vagos, he did it.
He made it.
He made it.
Did it.
You fucking launched.
He's in that room, right there, on your right. So, yep, that was him.
Oh, you got shit on, kid.
Are you fucking kidding me? That was the luckiest fucking shit I've ever ran seen in in my there.
Nah,
life.
Wildcat, you gotta lay the fuck out.
wave, baby.
Oh my god, you thought.
Oh, catch me!
Oh my god, what is he doing?
You, dude.
No, you trap me like animal.
Kobe.
Oh shit.
Bananas in a
sold this at the
movie
concession
theater is crazy.
Fuck up,
Bananas at a
Oh, what are
movie
these people
theater is
doing to our
crazy.
man? Oh, whoa!
Where's his head at?
What's going on, dude?
The microwave started flying around. I don't know where it's at. I lost it.
Oh, they're looking at it.
When I walked into the KKK, man, I saw Donald Trump actually winning election.
Snap chose it.
Bro, if there was any black cards, that would have won automatically.
Too real.
Go!
Last guy's
Oh, you got sprayed.
Come on, man.
Oh yeah, you're getting cooked. You're getting cooked. Wildcat, you're getting cooked.
Fuck my life, dude. I hate video games. 64 and 4. Fuck you, you bitch.
You suck.
Wildcat walks up behind somebody and misses 2 knives.
I didn't miss.
Uninstall Wildcat. He said a warning knives.
All right, let's go. I'm gonna
Any
fucking.
man can, cause he mixes it with love and master. Fucking kidding me right
Is this
now?
like a-
Fucking kidding me right now?
A knockoff Golf It? This can't be Golf It.
Wait, how do you?
Why do we don't have any planes countering their planes? We have no pilots. Really?
Oh, you guys are fucked. You guys are fucked. You guys are fucked.
Well, I just figured out what happened to you
Damn
guys.
it, dude. Oh, we are getting annihilated by these fucking planes.
All right.
Screen!
Oh, oh.
Oh, whoa,
Whoa, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Dude, he's got.
I didn't even know
somebody
he played
check that
Madden.
dude for grease. He's lubed up.
Hey, yo.
He squeaked out of there.
Hey, yo.
That's dirty.
It is dirty. It's cheating.
That's the correct word for that.
Yes.
Absolutely amazing. Badass, what are you doing?
That giggle though.
Hello. Oh. Woo, thank you.
Other guy 78, they're all weak, dude.
Oh, wait. Oh. Whoa. Okay, Wildcat.
I'm insane.
Nah, that was correct. That was correct.
Hold on, wait. I need to think. I need to think.
Close
Jump.
to the earth.
Jump.
Wow. That's what you get for staring at the sun.
What the fuck?
Now you're blinded and dead.
Birdie there.
All right, boys.
Oh, what? What?
Fucking kidding me?
I'm not gonna lie, the golf balls are not even cracked.
Where did he go?
They probably went all mid. They're like, wow, that's their secret now.
Kobe.
I don't.
Oh. I'm proud of you. Are you proud of yourself? Are you proud of yourself?
Hey, a win is a win. And he dies too.
Karma. There are so many people in CT. One of them has no health
Oh
at all.
my god. A win is a win though.
Fuck you, Smitty.
To Morocco, I got pretty women showing titties like I'm Flacco. I came in a hot top, I'm still in the drop.